Blossom by blossom, spring begins. So welcome spring with some of the fun and interesting activities. So in this particular video, I'm going to share with you spring inspired Montessori activities for toddlers and preschoolers. Watch this video till the end. Stay tuned. I'm excited to share with you that Super Thanks is on for my channel. So if you like my content, then please support my channel so that I'll create more quality content for you.
So let's have a look at the Montessori shelf. I've placed a delightful letter tracing card designed for the little fingers to practice tracing. Alongside this, I have included a set of hands-on letters perfect for matching uppercase and lowercase versions. To add an extra layer of excitement, I have included a selection of toys that all begins with the letter Y. Plus, this Ladybug interactive alphabet card is a wonderful tool for building vocabulary and engaging young mind. This adorable card makes learning feel like playtime. This CBC building is a perfect Montessori learning tool. It encourages children to read phonetically, blend letters, and explore rhyming in a playful yet educational manner. By engaging in this activity, children can enhance their reading skills while having fun. Children learn to recognize and blend sounds, which is crucial for reading fluency. In a tray, you'll find a letter formation printable along with some colorful Play-Doh. It's a wonderful way for them to engage with the shape and structure of each letter. They can mold the letter as well as trace them with their fingers. In this basket, I have placed fruit flashcards alongside the fruit figures. The task is to match each fruit toy with its corresponding flashcard. This activity not only enhances recognition skills but also make learning an enjoyable experience. This is an extension of previous activity. It is arranged to enrich the learning experience, placed intentionally to categorize and differentiate between the fruits and vegetables. Both of these engaging activities are fantastic for enhancing vocabulary. As little ones weave the lace through the hose of the strawberry, they will build crucial skills like focus and patience. It's a playful way to strengthen concentration while honing those fine motor skills. It's a perfect blend of learning and play. This is a practical life activity in a tray containing 4 locks, each paired with a key. These keys are placed randomly, creating an intriguing puzzle for the child to solve. The challenge is to determine which key will unlock each lock, offering a hands-on experience that is both fun and educational. Children can enhance their crucial thinking and develop patience as they experiment with the different combinations. This task is simple yet engaging. A child will carefully cut along the dashed line of the cloud design. This hands-on activity is an excellent way to develop their scissor skills.
Freebie alert! Yes, I'm glad to share with you that I have created free, yes, absolutely free, fun spring printables for preschoolers and up. So if you have preschoolers and up, then go grab your freebie right now. I mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. This fun printable include the mazes, drawing, coloring, and different activities for your preschoolers and up. So go and grab your freebie. I mentioned the link in the description box below. If you'd like to check out the materials I have shared in this video, then head on to my Amazon store. I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. I always search for the quality products for kids and add it to my Amazon store list. So follow me on Amazon store so you can focus on buying rather than searching. Check the link in the description box below. So which Montessori activity you like the most, let me know in comments down below. And if you have any activities that you're doing at home with your toddlers and preschoolers, please do share with me. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I will upload new videos. See you soon.